Let us discuss the relative power of halogens. So, fluorine undergoes reaction with water unlike other halogens. So, fluorine reacts with water to form H plus O2 and F minus. A very simple balancing I have shown you, differentiating the colors. So here oxidation number of oxygen increases from -2 to 0, therefore it is oxidation. Fluorine also oxidizes water relatively when large amount of water molecules are used. It is oxidizing H2O to ozone with the production of H plus and F minus. So here also I have shown a very simple balancing. You have to start the balancing with oxygen where 3 molecules of water are formed. Then you can balance H plus and F minus, and finally you can balance F2. So therefore chlorine and bromine reacts with water to form the respective hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. And bromine also reacts with water to form hydrobromic acid and hypobromous acid. Therefore, it can be seen that iodide ions can be easily oxidized by oxygen in H plus medium, which is just the reverse of the reaction observed with fluorine. And it is a great proof that I minus is a stronger reducing agent. It's a stronger reducing agent as it gets oxidized from -1 state to 0 state. So here it is increase of oxidation, it is oxygen, increase of oxidation state, it is oxidation. And also oxygen get reduced from 0 to -2 oxidation state, therefore this is reduction. Therefore, iodide is a very strong reducing agent because the reaction with iodide with oxygen in the place of in the acid medium is highly spontaneous, as this reaction shows a large negative value of standard free energy. So the conclusion is halide ions are acting as reducing agents. Invariably, F minus do not show any reducing nature, whereas chloride, bromide and iodide ions are good reducing agents, and therefore the increasing order of reducing power of halide ions, the increasing order of reducing power of halide ions is as follows: fluoride ion having least reducing nature, iodide ions having maximum reducing nature.